How to verify WhatsApp without code. First of all, open WhatsApp and you will be asked to enter your phone number. Then go to the three dots at the top right and select Link as Companion Device. This will open the QR code scanner. Next, from the other phone, scan this QR code. This companion link connects your WhatsApp account to your other device securely without asking for the usual SMS code. This way, you verify and access your WhatsApp messages without needing the verification code every time. Using this method saves time and makes it easier to use WhatsApp across multiple devices. It's a safe and convenient way to stay connected without a hassle of repeated verification. Now you know how to verify WhatsApp without code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.